Hi, good day. My name is Junbern Salvacion Rania. I'm 41 years old, married, and then having two kids, and from the Philippines. And I am excited to apply for the administrative assistant position at your company. I have over 12 years of experience in administration, procurement, logistics, sales, warehouse management, and hospitality. Having worked in both the Philippines and the UAE, I have developed strong skills in the office management, document control, supplier coordination, and financial tracking. My diverse experience enables me to handle administrative tasks efficiently while supporting the overall operations of the company. In my most recent role as a project technical assistant at Mariano Marcos State University, it is under the project and funded by the DOST. I was responsible for managing procurement, financial documentation, and coordinating with different departments to ensure smooth project executions. I handled the project procurement management plan, which is the PPMP, the maintain the financial records and ensure compliance with policies and budget guidelines. Previously, as a project coordinator in the UAE or the United Arab Emirates, I work closely with suppliers. I'm preparing the purchase orders and then monitor the project expenses and assisted in payroll processing using the ERP systems like the Build Smart CCS. Build Smart CCS is the system that commonly used by the construction companies. So I'm using this one to smooth the process of the documents and of course this streamlined the process. And I also handled logistic and office administrations, ensuring that the documentations, the contracts, and the reports well organized. Apart from administrative roles, I also have experience in sales and hospitality, which has strengthened my customer service, the inventory management, and team coordination skills. My background in the warehouse and inventory management has also given me expertise in tracking supplies, handling stock levels, and maintaining proper documentations. If I given the opportunity to work with your company, I am confident that my experience in administration, procurement, and office coordination will allow me to contribute positively to your company. I am highly organized, detail-oriented, and proficient in the use of the Microsoft applications like the Excel, the PowerPoint, the Word, and even the Outlook. I also use, as I've said a while ago, this the ERP systems or the Build Smart CCS or the project management information systems that that I am usually right now that I'm using right now with regards to the financial documentations and supplier coordinations. I work well under pressure. I adapt quickly to challenges and always strive to improve efficiently in the workplace. And I'm eager to join your team and apply my expertise to help streamline processes, support management, and ensure smooth administrative operations. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about me, and I appreciate the opportunity and look forward to discussing how my skills align with your company's. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.